Good afternoon, everyone. This is Jason Anthony. We are going to, uh, due to popular demand, we are going to do how to manage your account on omny.info. Since that we have received multiple comments of how to manage your account on omny.info, so we're going to do the video once again. So right now we're omni.info. So if you have an Omni card, the physical card, it could be a student, not a student Omni card, because the student Omni card will not be recognized. It could be a regular Omni card, a reduced fare Omni card. In order for it to be uh, registered and recognized. So, first and foremost, you go to the upper right and omni.info. You click sign in. It will take you to this page that has a sign in. So it will give you the option to continue with Google on the top or continue with Apple on the bottom. Or if you don't want to select either option, you could continue with your own email at the right. But since that we have a omni.info account with Google, so we're going to select it. And this is the cards that we have. We have uh, a reduced fare that this is a test reduced fare that, as you guys see, the current balance is $1.65. And as you guys see, it shows you the fare cap. We have, see, you could select the card and it tells you the progress that you have towards the fare capping. And now they added the trip history. In this card. Uh, in other words, everything is in there now. So let's I want to see if I could find my other Omni card that I have that I want to add. In case we have it. I don't know if you guys could see it. We have another Omni card. So if you guys want to add another Omni card into your account, it's very simple. You go to uh, add travel card, and you guys select either bank card or Omni card. It is very, very simple. And if it's a Omni card, you guys select the card number. You guys go to the back of the card. You guys enter the 18 digits, just like it shows here. You guys enter the CVV card, that's the security code, and the expiration month. Is very, very simple. But this time, as everybody is aware, the fares are going up. And the MTA is going to do a series of public hearings. So if you want to be a part of it, you could go to omny.info and you go to about and then transparency. In the part that says public meetings, hearings, and notices, you're going to go to public hearings and you're going to see the ones that say upcoming. You're going to select the first one. And here are the dates. That will start this upcoming Tuesday, August 19th from 6 to 9 p.m. Next week, Wednesday, August 20th from 10 a.m. to 1. And next week, Wednesday, August 20th from 5 p.m. to 8. All hearings will be held, let's say, virtually and in over Zoom. If you want to go in person, all the hearings will be held at 130 Livingston Street in downtown Brooklyn. And how to get there, it will be very easy. If you take the A, C, F, and R trains to J Street Metro Tech, or the 2, 3, 4, and 5 train to Borough Hall. If you live within Brooklyn, these are the buses that are nearby. The B25, 26, 38, 41, 45, 52. Even the nearby B63 bus on Atlantic Avenue leaves literally nearby. The 65, the 67, the B103. If you don't want to go in person, you could register clicking these 3 forms. And it gives you one of the two. It could be either in person on Zoom, or you could do it by phone, calling on 646-252-6777, daily from 6 a.m. to 10, or submitting written comments, sending a letter to MTA government and community relations. The address will be to Broadway 16th floor, New York 10004. And for accessibility and interpretation purposes, they will have American Sign Language and card captioning services will be available. And everything else. If language assistance and any other accommodations will be needed at least 5 business days. So yours truly will be at least giving his opinion. And that'll be it for the English portion of the video. As a reminder, you can get your Omni card at any of the 472 stations, at any Walgreens, Duane Reade, 7-Eleven, PLS, any of the check catching place throughout the city. But as a reminder, if you don't want your card to be stolen or lost, it is very important to have it registered on omny.info. And that way you can monitor the fare capping. It is very, very important. And as always, you guys could follow us on YouTube. That will be posting more content. We already did a video to how to use Omni Machine at subway stations. And now we're doing this one on how to manage your omny.info account on the website. And soon we'll be having a Q&A forum with representatives of the MTA basically answering your questions. So that'll be it for this time. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you the next one.